Hi, I'm Dr. Kirti Gowda. I'm from Bangalore.
Hi, I'm Dr. Madhura Sai. I'm from Machilipatnam.
Myself, Dr. Sneha Agrawal. I'm from Chhattisgarh.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sai Chandana from Hyderabad.
The lectures were very good, interactive, and informative. Got to learn many things.
Lectures were good, they were informative. It was all a quick brush up of all the 4 years together.
The lectures was very nice. It was informative.
Informative and also interactive. That given a lot of information which couldn't be covered.
The mentors were very supportive. They have helped me in each and every step.
The mentors were very good. They guided in each step. They're very informative, and I got to learn many things.
The mentors were approachable. They guided us through every step with calmness and made us feel more confident in our treatments.
Mentors were good, they were supportive, helping in each and every step.
Yeah, I chose MRD because implants and ortho was included in it, which was not there in MGD. So I feel this was unique and better option for me.
I chose MRD because they were including ortho and implant. Like I could get a basic idea. After going out from here, I could explain patients what will happen through implant or ortho.
I chose MRD over other courses because it has all the benefits of FRCD along with additional benefits of orthodontics and implantology.
I choose MRD because in MRD they are including ortho and implant also. So I will get a little bit information of ortho and implant.
Recently, I had done a surgical apicectomy case and a few laser cases, which were additional boosts to my resumes, along with the RCTs and tooth preparations and crown lengthening cases.
I've done so many different cases. I've done RCTs, post and core extractions and all.
Cases different. I could do impactions which we weren't able to do before. I did all little surgeries, minor surgeries and all.
Flap surgeries and labial frenectomy using the lasers, endodontic aspect like apicectomy I've assisted, and impactions. Yeah, I would definitely recommend it to my friends and all my colleagues and say this is the best place to get learning.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend this course to others who want to learn a lot more in a shorter period of time.
Yeah, I would recommend this course to the upcoming fellows. It was good, you can get a good clinical experience.
Yeah, I will recommend this course because it's very helpful